Welcome back, and thanks to Julia for sharing her knowledge with you on boundary testing and equivalence partitioning. They were important lessons that will help to make your life easier. Now, you can add another string to your bow by understanding how to use decision tables by referring to the satellite television scenarios we used earlier in this course. These could also help to make your tests far more efficient and focused. This is a basic example of a completed discount table for the satellite TV company as used in their order management software. It specifies the rules that need to be applied for each level of discount. It's worth noting, there is one outcome for each combination of conditions, specifically the percentage discount to be applied for every package, and this will be determined by the combination of the selected conditions. In this case, there are 3 conditions. The first column indicates whether this is an existing customer who started using the TV package 1 or more years ago. The second column shows if the customer is serving in the military. And finally, is the customer a U.S. resident? All the rows in this table have unique combinations, which means there are no duplicate tests. So let's look at a few examples. We'll start with someone who is not an existing customer for 1 year, so in terms of discounting, they would be treated as a new customer. You can also see that they are currently serving in the military, which could include the Coast Guard. For the final condition, it is not relevant if they reside in the U.S., as there are huge numbers of military personnel who serve overseas, so they will be awarded a 10% discount on any TV package regardless of where they live. Let's now consider another customer who purchased a TV package more than 1 year ago. As a loyalty reward, their discount is increased from 10% to 12%. Finally, we'll look at a new customer who is not serving in the military and doesn't reside in the U.S. No discount is applied. However, the same customer will get a 3% loyalty discount after their first year. You won't need a decision table for creating all your tests, but they are useful when faced with complex and large sets of actions. For example, helping to decide the best candidate from 4 employees who were shortlisted for a test manager role, then interviewed for a promotion. Meet the candidates. First, there's Bob, who works as a development manager, then Pete, who is a technical lead, Anne, who worked as a test lead for 2 years, and finally Joy, who recently started a testing role in Spain. Their individual skill levels are measured from 1 to 10 on subjects such as language skills and test experience. 10 would be expert level, and 1 would indicate no experience in this area. You will notice that there is a column titled Weight. Not every skill is weighted the same, so the more important skills have a higher rate. Why would we do that? For example, the application would multiply Bob's score of 7 for test experience by the weight of 4, in this case giving a score of 28. The same process is applied for each of Bob's skill ratings to get his final score. Human resource departments might use an application that includes this type of functionality, and it's something that needs to be thoroughly tested to make sure we get reliable results. Someone's promotion is in the balance. The application will sum up the weighted total for each candidate, and the person with the highest score will be promoted. Let's reveal the winner. Well done, Anne. It was a close-run interview, with Bob and Pete coming very close. Although Joy was fluent in Spanish, which would definitely help in the new role, it wasn't weighted as highly as the need for test experience. So, congratulations to Anne on getting through the interview. You have a rewarding career waiting. You will now understand how a decision table can be a useful tool and help you to improve your test coverage. In the next lesson, we will look at state transition diagrams and how we test applications that transition from one state to another. I will see you there. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing and allows us to keep creating free content for you.